Hello and welcome. So in this video I am going to discuss about Coriolis force. So what is Coriolis force? So Coriolis force is an invisible force which is exerted on any body on the earth's surface or in the atmosphere. So what is the cause of this Coriolis force? So it is caused due to the earth's rotation. So you need to know it that the Coriolis force is caused due to the Earth's rotation. And we all know that the Earth is tilted on its axis. So now the main concept behind this Coriolis force is this that you need to understand that at equator in 24 hours the earth will cover more distance more distance at equator in same time. So if you have to cover more distance in same time, then you have to increase the speed. So at equator the speed will be more, but when we see at poles we need to cover less distance in the same time. So speed is very less as compared to the equator. So as we go towards the pole, the speed of the Earth's rotation will keep on decreasing. So this is a very important concept that you need to keep in your mind. Now, moving forward. So everything on the Earth rotates with the Earth, including the atmosphere. So Earth will rotate including the atmosphere. Not only the lithosphere or hydrosphere, but also the atmosphere will rotate with the same speed as the Earth rotates. Now, another important point in regards to the Coriolis force that you need to know is have you ever seen a merry-go-round uh, in melas or somewhere else? So, if the merry-go-round is stationary and there are four people on it, let's say A, B, C, and D. At stationary position, if A throws the ball towards B, it will directly go towards B. But in motion, if this merry-go-round is revolving or it is in circular motion and then A throws ball towards B, then due to the motion of this merry-go-round, the ball will not reach to B, but it will reach C. So this is another important concept that you need to keep in your mind regarding the Coriolis force. So similar situation if you imagine here at Earth. So as we have discussed earlier that the speed of the movement or rotation of Earth at equator will be the highest, and at the poles it will be negligible, or you can say it is zero. So let's say you are at equator and you are facing north pole and you have thrown an object, then it will deflect. Why it will deflect? Because at equator the rotational speed is 1600 kilometer, but as we go towards the pole the rotational speed decreases. So due to inertia this will deflect. So similar in the southern hemisphere. So same thing happens with the wind. So the wind, if let's say an imaginary wind is blowing from equator towards the pole, so this wind will deflect in right direction in the northern hemisphere and in left in the southern hemisphere. So deflection of the wind will be right in northern hemisphere and left in the southern hemisphere. So if you ever see the diagram or the wind diagram, that the trade winds in a globe, if you see the diagram, you will see that the trade winds always get deflected. They are not straight. Trade winds are not straight, they are deflected. So these are the important points that I need to cover about Coriolis force, and this much is important from this topic, and hope you liked it. Thank you.